Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In this tutorial we are simplifying a logarithmic expression. So now let's begin with that part. On this part we are going to use this law of logarithms that says log AB is equal to log B over log A. Remember, this is log B base A. Okay, so we're going to use this law on this whole expression that is in the parentheses. All right, so we're going to write everything that we have as it is. Log A log B divided by log AB, and then using that law we are going to have log B over log A plus log A over log B. Okay, now we are going to simplify what we have in the parentheses. When we are adding fractions, you remember we have the lowest common denominator, which is log A log B. You just multiply this and that. Then you say log A into that, you get log B. Then you're saying log B times the log B there on top. You're going to get log B squared plus log B into that, you get log A. And multiply log A by that, you get log A, and that is squared. Okay, and then whatever is out there can be rewritten as it is, log B over log AB. All right, now we're going to use yet another law of logarithms that says, say if we have log x to the power y, you remember we say this is equal to y log x. Okay, but if we look at this, it's log b, all of this is squared, but this can be written as log b squared. So we just apply that law right here into that. Okay, so we're going to have log a log b over log AB. That's going to give us 2 upon using this law, because this is going to be 2 log B, like that. So we're going to have log 2 log B plus 2 log A, and that's being divided by log A log B. All right, now let's move on with it. We are going to realize that this is going to cancel with that. Okay, so we're going to remain with 1 over log AB, and that is multiplying 2. I can factor these 2 out, and then I'll have log B plus log A. Okay, but there's yet another law of logarithms again that says log B plus log A gives us log, say, AB, like that. So we're just going to use this law onto that part in the parentheses. So we're going to have 1 over log AB. Remember, I can take these 2 outside there. Then using that law, I'll have log AB, like that. And then log AB and log AB, they cancel out. And finally, our answer is equal to 2. We've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.